Maintaining a vibrant lawn in Arizona's intense heat can be exhausting. That's why we offer a game-changing solution: fake grass installation in Avondale. With fake grass, you'll enjoy a picture-perfect lawn without the endless upkeep. Say goodbye to watering, mowing, and dealing with dried-out patches. Our premium fake grass provides a long-lasting, realistic alternative that's perfect for homeowners and businesses alike. Choosing our fake grass installation in Avondale means choosing durability, convenience, and eco-friendliness. Our turf is designed to withstand the harsh Arizona sun, is safe for pets and kids, and eliminates the need for harmful chemicals like fertilizers and pesticides. Plus, it helps conserve water, making it a smart and sustainable choice. We're proud to be the trusted name for fake grass installation in Avondale. From initial consultation to professional installation, we ensure every detail is handled with care. Whether you're creating a backyard oasis, upgrading your front lawn, or transforming a commercial space, our team delivers exceptional results tailored to your vision. Imagine a lawn that's always lush, green, and low maintenance, no matter the season. Call us today at 520-253-7600 to schedule your free consultation. Discover why so many choose us for fake grass installation in Avondale.